know, they're still not letting me see my sons, but, you know, it's like I want to be with them every day. So I drive by to see when I can. Obviously, they're not going to let me see them, you know, playing games with my son's life, but what can you do, man? What can you fucking do? Anyway, just driving by. I gotta get back into this traffic. Well, I love you, Eason. I love you, Dean. Love you always. Just know that if I could be with you every day, I will. It's been a crazy road. I just hope that we're almost at the end of it and I get to see you boys soon. I love you, my boys. Eason, Dean, my DDs, my ECs, my Freeman boys. I'm so excited. About 3-hour drive to Temecula to have a 1-hour meeting with the counselor. Fought tooth and nail to get here. Saved money, borrowed money, struggled. Almost died a few times. Just trying to see my sons. And today, after 5 years, almost 5 years to the day, almost 5 years to the day. Last time I seen him was December 1st, 2010. It's November 20th, 2015. back seat full of toys and gifts for my sons.
Jumping sumo. He's down. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting this hat forever. Yay.
Is it big? It's a little big, but
Yeah.
it's kind of good. Holy shoot. Lift it up, honey. You want some sunglasses for school or something? Ah, Dean just crashed into that girl. Look, Dean's crashing.
You did it!
Yeah, buddy!
Oh my try this one.
Can he wants to try the rainbow though, that one right there?
The rainbow shepherd or the wild rainbow shepherd?
That one right there, yeah.
We just got that one in, right?
Okay,